Hi everybody. Today I want to show you what I got in my October Macy's beauty box. All right, let's get it open. Okay, I got it open, so let's see what's inside. There's the gift card for $5 off of a $20 beauty purchase. Those come in handy. And let's see what's in here. Okay. So first we have Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. There's the other side of it. I think every beauty lover has tried this or owns a couple of these by now. I know I've used up a few. Okay. And then next is from, is that Mina? This is the 24-hour Pin Eyeliner. It says create wings so perfect you can practically take flight. Sharp point and incredible waterproof pigment glide onto your eyes like a dream for gorgeous definition that stays on all night. This retails for $14.50. Let's take a look at it. Okay, there's the black eyeliner with the sharp point like that. I won't swatch it because I have a couple of eyeliners open already. More than a couple, actually. So I'll just keep this one safe until I'm ready to use it or give it away, whichever comes first. And what's this? Oh, another gua sha. I have one of these already. I have a green jade one. So this one is not mentioned in the little booklet that tells about the products. So maybe it's just a bonus item. That's nice. And then, what is this? Master Patch Original Fit from CosRx. And it retails for $5. You get 24 patches. That's not bad. Okay. And then we have some skincare. This is from Kiehl's. This is the Retinol Skin Renewing Daily Microdose Serum. It says introduce skincare's favorite ingredient into your routine. Retinol increases your cellular turnover, which brightens, firms, and refines your skin texture without the irritation. Okay. And the full size of this retails for $60. Okay. Then next we have some more skincare. This one is from Pericone Md. And this is the high potency growth factor firming and lifting serum. It says plump it up with the lifting, firming, and smoothing serum that everyone is talking about. Polyamine growth factor and encapsulated retinol promote collagen production. So with science on your side, you're sure to see the benefits very quickly. The full size of this retails for $129. Okay. I'll give that a shot. They're practically guaranteeing that you'll see results. And then, oh, from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay. We have the Brow Wiz. It says, when your brows are this bold, they do the talking. This ultra slim pencil formulated with vitamin E and plant oils It's the only tool you need to detail and fill out your brows as though you were born with them. Find your perfect match with a wide range of colors and tones. Full size of this retails for $23. Let's take a look at it. I believe I have one of these. I'm not sure. I'm going to look through and see. If I have one already, I'll put this one in my next giveaway, which is coming up pretty soon, actually. Like, if it's not my next video, it'll be the one after that. My fall giveaway. I have a lot of nice stuff in there that you might like. Okay, that's the Anastasia. And then, of course, as with all Macy's beauty boxes, we have some cologne samples. This one is from Daisy by Marc Jacobs. I have so many of these. I do like it, but I have lots of them. And then we have Calvin Klein Defy. Okay, this is something new. I have to see if it's a men's or a women's. It says, meet an addictive blend of crisp bergamot combined with rugged vetiver and sensual notes of amber. This men's fragrance is a daring contrast that defines expectations. And a 3.4 ounce goes for $88. Okay, let me test it out. This one is going to go to my son also. Let me spray it on the paper, see if I like it. Yeah, like a typical men's fragrance. The kind that you smell a lot. It's nice. Kind of fresh. Nice, you know. Typical men's cologne. So we got the two fragrances. The Anastasia Brow Wiz. The CosRX Pimple Patches for breakouts. Got the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. We got the Gua Sha Facial Toning Device. The Pericone Md Growth Factor Firming and Lifting Serum. The Kiehl's Retinol Skin Renewing Daily Microdose Serum. And the Mina Eyeliner. Okay, not bad. This box is pretty decent. And keep a lookout for my upcoming haul video where I will be doing a giveaway. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.